In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your hosting or domain to Shopify seamlessly. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or simply migrating your existing domain, this step-by-step guide will ensure your domain is perfectly aligned with Shopify's requirements. We'll walk through each part of this process, providing you with all the necessary details so that you can get your online shop up and running smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you've logged in, head over to the DNS Zone editor. This is where you'll make the essential adjustments to your domain settings to link it with Shopify. The DNS Zone editor allows you to configure DNS records, which are crucial for directing all web traffic to the correct locations. It might sound technical, but don't worry, I'll make sure it's simple and clear. Now, the next thing you need to do is add Shopify's required A record and CNAME record to your DNS settings. These records are key to directing your domain's traffic to Shopify's servers. Start by locating the Add New Record button in the DNS Zone editor. Here, you'll first add the A record. The A record tells the domain to point to Shopify's IP address. You can find the specific address you need directly from the Shopify documentation, ensuring you're copying the most updated information. Once you've added the A record, it's time to do the same for the CNAME record. The key name should be pointed to Shopify's default domain, often noted as shops.myshopify.com. This ensures that your domain points to Shopify's servers accurately. With the records added, it's time to switch over to your Shopify admin panel. Head on over there and look for the Domains section. Under Domains, you'll find an option to connect an existing domain. This is where you'll enter the domain name that you have just configured in Hostinger. Carefully type out your domain and then move forward to submit it. The final step in this process is to verify the connection. Shopify might take a few minutes to detect the changes to your domain settings. This verification process ensures that all DNS records are correctly configured and that your domain is now successfully pointing towards your Shopify store. When Shopify confirms that everything is set up correctly, you're good to go. Congratulations, you've now successfully connected your Hostinger domain to Shopify. This means your online store can now be accessed through your custom domain, providing a more professional image to your customers. If you encounter any issues or have additional questions, it's always good to double-check the records from Shopify's documentation or contact support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your e-commerce journey.